Hi everyone, welcome to TechView Hub. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how we can send a value from dialog fragment to fragment. So if we click on the button, the dialog fragment appears, and if we enter a value in the edit text, the value appears in the fragment. So this is the continuation of the custom dialog fragment video. So here we have created a custom dialog fragment. So if we run the app, and inside this, if we click on the button, the custom dialog fragment appears, and if we enter a value, it does not send to the fragment. To send a value from the dialog fragment to fragment, we need to add the following codes. So first, we are moving to custom dialog frag 1 XML. Here we are having the edit text, so we are adding ID to the edit text. And next we are moving to custom dialog fragment. Here we are declaring the edit text and adding ID to the edit text. So next we are creating an interface named dialog frag output. Inside this we are declaring a method named login name. And adding the string input. Next we are declaring a dialog fragment output. The variable name is mValue. So inside the dialog box we are capturing the edit text input. So we are adding string login input and capturing the value of edit text. Login name dot get text dot toString. Next we are passing this value to mValue. So next we are creating onAttach method. So next we are adding try catch. Inside the try we are attaching the mValue to the getTargetFragment. So it is mentioned that the required type is dialog frag output. So we are adding it. And inside the catch, we are adding class cast exception. Next, we are moving to fragment1.xml. Here, we are already created a text view with the sample text as ABC. We have also added ID to it. So we need to place the edit text value into this text view in the fragment. So we are moving to fragment1.java class and we are declaring the text view. And adding ID to the text view. So next we are implementing dialog frag output interface in the fragment1 Java class. Clicking on implement methods. Here we are implementing the login name. Inside this, here we are setting the value of m output login text view as input. So what we are doing now is we are getting the value from the edit text of dialog box and passing it to m output login text view. Next, inside the button on click listener, we are adding custom dialog frag dot set target fragment. The fragment is fragment1 dot this and the request code is 1. So we have added the set target fragment. Now we are running the app. If we click on the button, dialog box appears. Inside the edit text, we are entering the value and clicking on OK. The value is passed to the fragment. So we have implemented successfully. Thanks for watching the video.